Hello everyone, welcome to the MOOC on Fundamentals and Applications of Fuzzy Mathematics. Myself Mr. Milan Chakraborty, Assistant Professor of Mathematics at Basic Science and Humanities Department, MCKVIE. My research area is the supply chain management under the uncertain environment, and also I want to reveal the scope of the fuzzy mathematics. So this is the course title, Fundamentals and Applications of Fuzzy Mathematics, which is applied mathematical subject. In this course, the medium of instruction will be English. Targeted audience, actually this course is open to all, but particularly the targeted audiences will be UG and PG students of mathematics, engineering and the computer science. The prerequisite of the course is the basic knowledge of sets and logic and the matrix algebra, but this is not mandatory. So this is the course objective. First, to introduce the fundamentals of the matrix of the fuzzy set theory and applications, and to comprehend the principle of fuzzy logic and its applications, to introduce and explain the concept of fuzzy control systems and how to design them, and finally to demonstrate the applications in engineering and real world systems. So after completion of the course, student will be able to recognize the importance of fuzzy mathematics in the modeling and managing the uncertainties, and explaining the concept of fuzzy sets, membership function and linguistic variables. They will be able to apply the fuzzy logic principle to control system and decision making problem, and also they will be able to analyze and evaluate the fuzzy models in the context of supply chain management and the artificial intelligence applications. So this is the course outline and the structure. So the topic that will be covered in this course are classical versus fuzzy sets, some membership functions and operations on them, fuzzy relation and compositions, fuzzy logic and inference system, then fuzzy control systems, and finally the real life applications in engineering, AI and the managements. So this is a non-credit course. The course duration is 8 weeks, and so since it is a non-credit, so credit is not applicable there. So now the significance of this MOOC. First of all, the real world relevance, where the traditional logic often fail in the uncertain and the imprecise environment. Then fuzzy logic offers a flexible and powerful approach for modeling such situations. Secondly, the benefit for learner, the apply fuzzy logics in the AI, robotics, supply chain and the control system. Secondly, the gain practical exposure through quizzes, assignments and the projects. Third, the build analytical and decision making skill under the uncertainties. Thirdly, the career and the academic edges. It will support their academic courses like the intelligence systems and the control theory, and also add the values to their resumes, and which is useful in domains like data science, AI, robotics and the logistics. And in broader impact, this will encourage the logical thinking and the critical thinking, and also it is aligns with the Sustainable Development Goal 4, which is quality educations, and the Sustainable Development Goal 9, which is the innovations and the infrastructure. So to engage the participant, there are some interactive activities on the ongoing course, actually in the courses, which is the weekly quizzes, assignment based on the real world applications, on discussion forums for peer learning, some mini projects simulating the fuzzy logic application, problem solving session and the case studies. And objective is to motivate consistent participations and the critical thinking. So this is the assessment and the certifications criteria. So assessment breakdown is like that. So first, assignments will be 15% of the whole course, and quizzes will be 20%, interactive assessment or discussions will be 10%, mini projects and practical applications will be 15%, and the final proctored exam will be 40%. These proctored exams will be the summative assessment or the peer assessment projects. And the certification criteria will be minimum 50% aggregated course and the 40% in the final exams. So that's all about the introductions of the course. So thank you all.